Horses out, we have El Nino. Pass the begin, moving up on the outside now, Sailor King. Together is Locust Magic, then followed by Brave Lorky, Sing Lorky, and Star Quality is the early trailer. El Nino goes on by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside to take second is Sailor King. Racing in third, Locust Magic. Then followed by Brave Lorky, Star Quality, and Seeing Lorky racing in last. Meanwhile, we have El Nino. He's 3 lengths in front. Moving up on the outside now is Brave Lorky. Down on the inside, Locust Magic, Sailor King, Star Quality, and Seeing Lorky. And that's still El Nino by about 2.5 lengths. Brave Lorky now trying to get closer in second. His Star Quality now coming closer in third. Then comes Seeing Lorky. And that's still El Nino by about 2 lengths. Brave Lorky still in second. Star Quality alongside third. Then followed by Seeing Lorky. As they come down at the last 200. And that's still El Nino by about 4 lengths now. Moving up, Seeing Lorky, Brave Lorky, and on the outside, Star Quality. Last 100 meters, we have El Nino by about 5 lengths now. Over Seeing Lorky, and finally it's El Nino. Seeing Lorky, Brave Lorky, Locust Magic, Star Quality, and Sailor.